What is up, comrades? Oops, the new president-elect is not in office yet. Hi friends, today we're going to be fixing something that I've been needing to fix for a while. The Magna is a complete project, but it's not finished. Well, today we're finally going to fix the one tiny thing that we need to fix. The turn signal system. LED turn signals on a metric motorcycle, a vintage one, mine's a 1994. You run into a problem where they flash too fast or too slow, but the other problem you run into is that when you turn either side on, all four will blink, granted that you've already gotten a relay for it, which I have. The way to fix this problem is with this little device right here, which we have crafted. These are one-way diodes. The only thing you need to know is that you want these to hold up to more than 30 volts, you know, just for safety. These hold up to 50. The reason why we have problems with the system is because everything is LED except for our turn signal indicator, which there is only one of. There's a couple ways to fix this problem. Either A, delete the bulb and then you won't have an indicator. That's fine if you don't want to have the indicator. But if you're like me and forget things on because, you know, you have 6 IQ or whatever it is, and you want to make sure that you have your indicators off, whatever you call them, BMW drivers, what do you call those? Oh wait, you don't. So the way we fix this here is, and I've drawn up a little wiring diagram for you here. These are the two black wires that go up to our bulb, which is this one. And here are the two black wires. So they normally go one here and then one here. We're going to cut on either end. So I'm going to cut both of these right here, and I'm going to install this diode system that I've created here this direction, going upwards. So it'll be from both of these two, boom boom, going up from the harness, which is right here, going into one black wire into our indicator. The other one will go down to earth, or ground, common ground, whatever you want to call it. Now, the other thing you need to know about these is that they're one directional. You can see there's a little tiny silver ring. That means the power only goes this way, not backwards. And that's important because that's what happens that causes the four-ways to go off, is that the power travels backwards because LEDs are so much more efficient than incandescent bulbs, which is what this bulb is. So, if we install this, it'll fix the problem. Let's just cut straight to that. We finished making our little harness thing here. If you're like me, you don't like to cut up stock harnesses, so you'll make little plugs so you can put things back to normal if you'd like. But just to recap, these two black wires are supposed to connect to these two black wires, but instead we've bridged these two together with the diodes into one black wire, and the other one will go to ground. Now, to package this, I will simply just twist this gently and just slip the heat shrink back over this. The first thing that we need to do before we start wiring this up is we need to wire up our turn signals. Now, this bike will have 4, but for right now I will only put the front 2 on. The way we're going to do that is with these little butt connectors. Here's the wire harness for the turn signals. I've already cut it, so I can put it on. Okay, now just do that 4 more times. Alright, number 2. Alright, so the wiring harness is ready. Now we just have to start plugging things in. Oh, right, yes. Look at that, almost OEM. Well, almost. Well, that works. Huh. It works. Perfect. The install is complete. Here's them working. And I put a relay in under here, which you can just adjust the speed at which they flicker on and off. Yeah, that's all you need to know about that. So anyways, folks, stay safe, keep the rubber on the ground, have fun, importantly, and most importantly, stay marvelous. Subscribe.